Welcome, in front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you how to toggle touchscreen on this laptop. So by default you cannot enable or re-enable touchpad on your device, but what you have to do in order to disable or enable touchpad on your computer is first go to Google Chrome web browser, and once you are here, tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner of the browser, then scroll all the way down to settings, and then instead of settings, in the search field, input flags. So input flags, and then search for keyboard debugging, or maybe shortcuts debugging. Yeah, that's what we're looking for, debugging keyboard shortcuts. So we have to switch this value to enabled, and then click restart right here and wait until the device is restarted. And after your laptop restarts, what you're gonna have to do is press the combination of Shift, Search and T buttons, and this will disable your touchscreen and you will no longer be able to use it. To enable it, use Shift, Search and T once again, and after that you can once again start using the touchscreen on your device. Okay, and that's basically how you do it. After that, make sure that you disable the debugging keyboard shortcuts feature in flags section and restart your computer once again. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.